I must point out in pertaining to relationships, did you fail if the relationship ended? Because I'm a firm believer that everybody has an expiration date, and it's within that time that you share with that person is what matters the most. Did they uplift you? Did you enhance your career, yourself, physically, spiritually, mentally? I can say within the 40 years, the relationships I've had, and I didn't have many. I could say I had two big major relationships. My first marriage, which was, I've known her for 15 years, and uh, my second relationship after that, we were together for 8 years. And those two relationships taught me a valuable lesson. And I grew up. I initially grew up. The first marriage, I was pretty much a troll. Um, wasn't good with money. The second relationship, I grew up. I grew up. I pretty much changed within the process. I was a little bad, but I changed. And you know, you have to grow within this life. And that's the one thing I've learned within my 40s is that if you stay stagnant, if you stay just compliant with who you are and not wanting to grow, not wanting to get better, then that's a fail. That's an ultimate fail. You have to keep growing. It's like working out. You have to get stronger. You have to run faster. You have to adapt and pivot, but you have to get better. And if the individual doesn't want to get better, then you have to send them on their way. I am a believer that there's no such thing as, I'm the bad guy and she's innocent, or she is the bad person and I'm the innocent. It takes two. Two. It takes two to make it and two to break it. Those who say, oh, it was never me, it was all him. Oh, it was never, it was always him and never me. Those are the ones that caused the breakup. So is it a fail? Everything serves its purpose. So we just keep moving forward.